The Larsen Electronics MGS series power distribution substation gives operators the ability to tap into and safely distribute power from a variety of sources, including generators and direct grid power. This fully enclosed NEMA 3R ventilated power distribution unit converts three-phase AC electrical current. This unit is designed for serious use and is ruggedly constructed to withstand demanding conditions and heavy-duty industrial applications. The breakers and receptacles are accessible via double doors. This model is equipped with center mount skid pockets at the base, 4 pickeyes, and a push and pull handle for mobility. The entire power distribution station can fit through a standard doorway. Larger units are available upon request and can be equipped with skids or trailer mounted. A customer-provided line-in cord brings three-phase power to the main circuit breaker on the primary side. Wiring for devices can be run through the trapdoor. This allows the main receptacle access door to remain closed while in use, keeping all receptacles covered and NEMA 3R rated. The transformer is grounded to the frame, and we provide a grounding lug on the frame for the earth ground. We use DIN rail mount breakers and surface mount MCC breakers. This means any breaker from any brand will be compatible in our units should you ever need to replace one. Our units are built with ASTM construction and design standards. All units are built in accordance to NFPA 70 National Electric Code. The dolly handle is completely removable. Simply remove the cotter pins from the bottom and the handle will slide out with ease. All equipment is NEMA 3R rated for indoor and outdoor use and provides a degree of protection against dirt, water, and ice. NEMA 4 and NEMA 4X equipment can be equipped upon request. You can also store cords or accessories in the storage bays. This power distribution system is ideal for indoor or outdoor use and applications including but not limited to construction sites, plant maintenance, plant turnarounds, shows, exhibits, and shipyard operations. We offer complete customization on these units. Contact us with your specifications and we'll build what you need. Don't look any further for your power distribution needs. Visit Larsen Electronics today. At Larsen Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.